Hey everybody, Paul Houston, Podcasting 101, coming to you live, or not live, but, from Fallout 76, rebuilding the wasteland, both here and in game, and in Star Trek. So, many of my old friends know that I've been absent from YouTube for quite a while, been absent from Star Trek Online for not nearly as long as I've been out of YouTube. But, life has been interesting is all I can say. But I am still alive and kicking, and I just wanted to share with you guys my Fallout 76 second character build, which we're coming into my camp now, right outside of the vault. And as you can see, I've got the red rocket there, and if anybody knows how to make that thing take off, please tell me in the comments below, because I'd love to make it take off. And I've got my vending machines here. This is my noob camp. When you come out of the vault, you walk in through my camp, and I got some watermelon there for free. Some let's see, what do we got there? Some blackberries, and I know I've got a tater and some wheat. But anyways, free food for anybody. When you walk through, just feel free to grab it. And there we got the stash box on top, some tires, and yes, I'm a Fallout First member. Oh, and here's my little rad toad, my own personal pet. Come on, buddy, stick your tongue out at me. There you go. Good food. So then we got the machines out here. You got your armor workstation and Tinker's workbench, chemistry. Got some free water down here for anybody that needs some. But I'm going to be making some videos about the different camp builds I do, some of the advanced building tips that I've learned from all you other YouTubers out there. Jug and Rifle Gaming come to mind. All you guys are great. Jug, I know, isn't doing anything anymore, but man, I miss his videos. They were pretty awesome. He taught me how to build this round building. So that was the downstairs that everybody runs through, and then up here, let's see which way to go. Into the bedroom. Show you my bedroom. And I'm going to be showing what I'm doing at my old house, that they're building a road literally 1.3 feet from the corner of my house, and also my builds here. But I'm putting up 7 kilowatts worth of solar cells. I'm going to be doing a bunch of aquaponics there, so I'm going to be making some videos in real life again. But also, there's just no way that you can build more than one location here in Fallout. So before I tear this down, I wanted to memorialize the moment with a little new comeback in 2020. I hope everybody just, is already having a great year so far. This is my trophy room, which is just, I'm not a hunter personally, but and anybody, in my opinion, that puts a bunch of heads on their wall, I don't know, no judgment here, but to each his own. But since I can do it in Fallout and it's not real, it's virtually real. I don't know. But anyway, these are all my trophies that I've gotten in game, and, hung them up on the wall. That Wendigo's just real spooky. And then we're coming up here to the upstairs deck, where just got a great view of the vault, where all the noobs come down the stairs and are forced to walk through my camp, even though, of course, they have no caps. What is nice about being close to Fallout 76 Vault is it's a free teleport to here. There we go. See, I'm just right there, so anybody can come visit me, check out all of my plans for free without having to pay that nasty fee. And, we got the bar area in here with all the little nice lit posters, showing off the place, my dome. Beautiful sky here. I really hate the marshland with the green skies. What's that called? The mire. And I got me a little death claw down here. Anyway, Paul Houston, Podcasting 101. Back in the saddle again on YouTube. Wishing y'all a wonderful New Year's, and hope you'll keep watching my videos in years to come.